What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. In case you're joining for the first time, thank you. Today's video is a very delicate one, and I will need all the prayers that I can get from you guys. Oh my, like, I'm going to try something that I've not done before, not in this channel, not on my eyes. When it comes to your eyes, very risky. So today I'm going to try contact lens. Oh my god, guys, it's going to be, I don't know, it's going to be very difficult, but I'm going to do it with your help. So in case you're joining for the first time, please turn on the notification bell by subscribing also, and like this video, share with your friends and family because it's going to be a detailed one. So starting up with this video, I have this fresh look color bounce eye contact, and this is brown. We are dealing with brown. All right, there is a full pack of it that I got, but a friend of mine happened to, you know how friends do, so but I happened to get this one, which is the solution. This one is the solution that comes with everything that you need this eye contact to be perfect. So I'm unboxing it now. Right, so this is the solution. Wow, this is it. Inside it we have this clip that you can use to punk in the lens, and also this one where you can keep the contact lens safe. We have the left and the right. When you want to switch the contact lens, make sure that the one that goes to the right is on the right eye, and the one that goes to the left is on the left side of your eye. So now we are going to unbox the contact lens itself, which is brown. So I'm going to open it up. Guys, I need your prayer right now. I don't play with my eyes. So this is how it comes. It comes in one. The one I saw before was like in a 2-pack, like it was together at one part, one at the other side, another one at the other side, but this one comes in separate. So this is how the blue one is. Now I'm going to switch them into this box, the contact box itself. Guys, I'm going to open it up like this, hold it tight. I'm going to use this clip to bring it out. So this is how the contact lens is. So I'm going to transfer it into this. What can I even call this? Guys, please let me know in the comment section what this is called. So we have this one right here, and I'm going to switch the other one to this other side, just like this. So one thing that okay, so after adding the solution, this is it. I can't bend it, guys. I can't be bent. Can you see that? Okay, this is how it's going to look. So make sure that once the eye is on the, once you, like, for example, you have like this right eye. If you have this one, which is the right eye right here, you don't need to switch it to another side again. Let it remain like that. I don't know the effect of it, but it's better it remains like that. So now, guys, we are going to start from the left, which is this. Oh my god, I'm not trying this. Jesus, I need you. What I'm going to do is to bring this out. We are starting from the left eye. Then I'm going to take my finger to hold it down, and let's see. This is how I want to do it. Guys, so first you have to hold your eye down. Hold it down again. It's falling. Guys, I think using my hand is going to be better. So I'm going to hold one of my eye down, another one up. Then let's go. Just so now I'm going to take it from here. It's uh, uh, it's going. Okay. Uh, okay. Oh, finally. Finally, guys. Oh my god. But my eyes is red. Okay, guys. So after many attempts, after all the crying, I finally put that. Okay, but my eye is red. It's red. Look at it. Oh my god. This is red. Okay, guys. I am done with the left eye. It's not an easy thing. It's not an easy thing. Applying your contact lens is not an easy thing. Oh my god, guys. I cried the hell out of myself. My eyes are even red already. Okay, now let's get into the right side and see how it's going to look and how it's going to stress me and you watching it again. Okay, so now it's on my finger and I'm going to open my eyes like this. I'll make it bold. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Oh. Oh my god. Guys, you have to cry. Yes, I can see. Hey, God, who sent me? Oh, oh. Yes. Okay, guys. I think I have to go and clean up these tears. And I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So, it's not an easy job. Like, it's not easy to apply your contact lens. Like, but it's comfortable though. Like, I'm very, very comfortable. I'm taking this for the whole day. You know, when you try new thing, you have to be happy about that and take it for a whole day to see how far. So guys, thank you so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video today, please let me know if you are going to try if you are going to try contact lens on yourself. Like, it's very easy to apply it on someone, but on yourself you need God. You need God to do that. Okay, so thank you so very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do that, and turn off notification bell. Like this video, share with your friends, laugh more. I know, yeah, you're going to laugh at me. Do that, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.